Every single clip you're seeing right now was generated using this exact method. And the crazy part? This lets you use Google Veo Ultra completely free. No payment, no waitlist, and setup only takes a few minutes. Plus, this is still working right now. So let me show you exactly how to set it up. First, open your browser and search for BunnyFlow. Click on the first website that appears. Once the homepage opens, click on Get Started to create your account. Enter your username, email, and password. If you have a referral code, you can paste it here. Then click Create Account. You will be redirected to the BunnyFlow dashboard. Now, once you're inside, you'll see an active free trial that lets you generate unlimited AI videos using Google Veo 3.1. And yes, it actually works. Now let me show you exactly how to use it. First, we need to install the extension. On the left side menu, click on Extensions. Then click Download Extension to save the file to your device. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. In the top right corner, enable Developer Mode. This step is very important. Now, open the folder where the extension file was downloaded. Simply drag and drop the zip file into your browser window. The extension will install automatically. Once that's done, close the tab and head back to BunnyFlow. Now, click the extension icon and select BunnyFlow. Log in using the exact same email and password you used for your BunnyFlow account. Make sure the login details match perfectly. Otherwise, the Ultra Access won't connect properly. After logging in, go to the left panel and click Flow Access. Inside the video prompt box, type a prompt. Just joking. No secret sauce here. Simply scroll down a little, then click Open on Google Flow. A new tab will open automatically. And this is the crazy part. If you check the profile section at the top, you'll see it's already connected to an Ultra account. And just like that, you now have access. Now, let's create a video. Click on New Project. Then open the model settings and choose the aspect ratio and number of output you prefer. But pay attention here. You must select Veo 3.1 Lite Priority. If you choose another model, the generation may fail. Once that's selected, choose your video duration. And right below, you can see that it used 0 credits. Now, simply enter your prompt and click Generate. And just like that, your AI video is ready. No limits, no payment, and full Ultra access for the next 3 days. If you want more hidden AI tools and powerful tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe.